Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Lina Nail Art recently released 3 new stamping plates and I purchased 2 of them from the UK stockist Nail Artisan. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Four Seasons Summer 03. As always, you can find all the information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have a scraper, my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper. I have 5 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be starting with a beige nude nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now I don't usually swatch open space or negative images. I just really don't get on very well with them, but I really like this design and it has come out fantastically. For my next swatch I'll be using a green coloured nail tip along with a white stamping polish, and it wouldn't be a summer plate without these leaves. They're everywhere on summer plates. Now it's not swatched great, I can be a bit hit or miss with whites to be honest, but it's still a really nice nail though. On to the next swatch, and I'll be using a coral coloured nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a plum and an orange. Now because I'm blending 2 colours together, I'm going to turn the plate so I can scrape across the image. I think I should have maybe used a white instead of an orange. I'm not sure it worked that well, but it's still a stunning image. For the next swatch I'm going to use a pink nail tip along with a light pink stamping polish, and it wouldn't be a summer plate without there being flamingos. They are very popular image to use in summer manis and they're very popular across social media right now, and these look great. For the next swatch I'm going to use a white coloured nail tip along with 3 stamping polishes, and they are a green, a neon pink and a purple. I'm going to create a nail using 3 smaller images. I'm going to begin with the word summer image using the purple. Now I will remove any excess before stamping, and I will be placing this in the middle of the nail. I'm then going for the flower in the neon pink, and I'm just going to be repeating the same again, and I'll place this below the words. I'm then going to finish the nail with the green for one of the leaf designs, and I'm going to place this at the top of the words. Now I love creating nails like this, and this is just absolutely stunning. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I have created from Lina Nail Art's Four Seasons Summer 03. Four Seasons Summer 03 is just packed with amazing summer designs, of which there are 24 large style designs, and then there is 23 smaller images down the middle, of which a few at the top are layering, but they could be used on their own. The Four Seasons range from Lina is one of my most favourite ranges that they do. For these swatches I just had to bring back my neon swatch pop sticks, and I've also used my Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper for all of these swatches, and I love how bright and summery they all look. These designs will make some amazing summer manis, and I just cannot wait to return. Now I did have a problem with one of the swatches, and that was the top far right image, no matter what I tried, and that included different stampers, polishes and scrapers. I couldn't get any better than what it looks like. But other than that one image, I couldn't be happier with them. I also have the first 2 Four Seasons summer stamping plates here on my channel. You can find them in my Lina playlist. But they are also 2 fantastic plates, and these will all work so well together. Now for this swatch review video I have made 2 manis, one using just Summer 03, and then the second one I've used all 3 summer plates. If you're looking for a summer stamping plate to create your summer manis this year, this has to be the stamping plate. I've had so much fun working with this plate. I'm excited to return to see what other manis I can create, and also using the other two as well. The Four Seasons range is a must-have in my eyes. I have all of them here on my channel, and they are a range I return to every season, and I really look forward to the new ones coming out. Whether you're looking for spring, summer, autumn or winter stamping plates, this range really does have you covered. So as I said earlier, I've made two manis. This is the first one, and I've just used Four Seasons Summer 03. There was two swatches that I did which I just loved, so I decided to use both of them in this mani, and they worked so well together. Now, I don't usually wear yellow, but I love how this has turned out. I would, however, like to see it in some different colour combos though. I think it would look stunning. So for the second mani, I've used all three of the Four Seasons summer stamping plates, 1, 2 and 3. As I loved the white nail tip I did at the beginning of the video, I wanted to use that in this mani. For the thumb and pinky, I went with leaf and flamingos. And then for the index and ring finger, I used jelly nail polishes to colour them in. And I absolutely love this mani. It is very unusual for me. It totally screams summer, and I'm just blown away by it. Love it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art's Four Seasons Summer 03 stamping plate. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.